changes to today's schedule. Next, a service of thanksgiving for Her Majesty the Queen. At 8 o'clock, a tribute to Her Majesty the Queen. For the latest information about all the changes to schedule,
this is BBC. Stay here for updates on the current situation. This is BBC. Stay here for updates on the current situation. This is BBC. Stay here for updates on the current situation. At about 4 am, a giant event in a once-in-4-billion-year event happened. All the tectonic plates moved suspiciously at the same time, causing an earthquake. The first to feel the shake is California, reporting a magnitude RDTD earthquake. Here at the BBC headquarters, it is starting to shake a bit as we are near a plate. We are getting reports as it happens. Japan has now felt the full tremor. Japan breaks apart as the magnitude reaches 20. The tremors are horrible at the UK as the magnitude reaches 15. Supervolcanoes are erupting and everything is cracking, even here. It's the end of the world. This wouldn't happen if God would just be nice for once.
Alex, calm down.
No. People are dying, earthquakes are getting worse, and the world is gonna end. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home. Here at the BBC, we hope you're happy.